Alright guys, oh wait a minute, what is this? I've been led to believe a train's failed. Down here, there was a 50... Oh, it's going backwards, mate. It's going backwards. Look at it. I don't care about any more trains, there's some 56s. Sorry for talking in that weird accent. But yeah, we do indeed have some 56s. In fact, it's two 56s, a 70 and a 56. It seemed they actually stopped halfway through a set of points to switch ends and return back to wherever they want to go, you know. I'm currently on top of the car park at French Gate in Doncaster, if you haven't already realised. I mean, I feel like it will be pretty obvious. In fact, there we go, off it goes. In fact, you've got, obviously, you can see right across, there is actually an avoider all the way over there, which I didn't know about that. That stinks. It's not going to be going very far, is this colours, you know, because it has a red light. This convoy of colours, I guess you could call it. Could you call it that? Never mind, it's gone onto the fast line. It's not going very fast. But I mean, okay. That's nice of it. So off that goes. Oh, never mind, it's turning again. Oh, there is also an Azuma going, but that doesn't really matter. Because, clearly. Right. So, lovely view. I can get some stuff on my camera. I see. What do I see now, guys? A 91. Right. This is lovely and all. I'll just stop this. We'll wait for the 91. Right, there we go. We've got a 91 coming in. We've just got a double 802, I'm guessing, going through on the fast line. We've got an 81 leaving, but down there she be. Oh, lovely, full intercity. Look at there. Right. Now, So, 91. Oh, they've overshot the signal. Not supposed to do that. Anyway, there we go. Wait till it goes. I like the noise. Doesn't sound very good. The ledge happening right behind you. Yeah, no.
Oh. They all matches though, at least. I think they've got a stupid red one on the end.
Off goes the 91. Probably no Leeds, I'd say. There's a Northern.
Yeah, so it's like.
No, colorless 70 and 256s, I believe. And off they go. Don't know where the other engine went from it, but seems it disappeared. Cool. Wait. Oh, this is passing. Yeah. Oh, wait, what?
So that's gonna go out there.
I was like, oh no. I'm getting confused with all these facts. I bet it's that colourless one again. Sorry, I bet that colourless one's coming in again. Yeah, what are they doing? Are they dropping off another one again? Well, there seems to be a fence slightly blocking my way. That'll be fine. Ah, they're off back in deciding. Well, could they not have just driven the engine that they dropped off on its own? Weird. Nine one 111 for the fallen.
Sandal and Agbury, Wakefield Westgate, Outwood and Leeds.
Alright, we've actually got a dragger here. 37308 with a 465. Now this is what oh, that's got a lot of graffiti on it, is the 465. That's not very nice. Wow. Lovely. And a 91 and a 37. Both brilliant and lovely. Right, I'm gonna go make my way down there to try go see the 37 again. See you then. Alright, I don't know if it'll go, it does have an orange, but lovely, you know.
Beverley,
Don't know what it's doing or what they are doing, but
Brampton, Hundenby,
doing something that
Riley,
concerns
Seamer and
nothing that
Scarborough.
concerns me. But hey, it's a 37. Didn't expect to see a 37 today. Especially the old ROG livery. And especially with a southeastern with a load of graffiti on it. Now, I never expected this to... I'm pretty sure this was actually quite early. But, yeah, 37800. Nice little one. And a nice little drag. No, yeah, as I say, it does have an orange. I don't know why. Also, this looks like it could have been sat in a thing for ages, you know? This 465, it seems like it could have been sat in a siding. Graffiti all over it, it's really, really weathered and looks awful. But, doesn't really matter, because it's a 37 at the front. Pulling it. And it stings. Also, I don't know if you saw this, but there's a Chiltern as well. Just over there we've got a Chiltern. There's a Northern, literally just coming down there. But anyway, very nice. Didn't expect to see a 37 today, did I? Makes it a good day. Yeah, so as I say, I don't know what they're doing. Doing something like that. Huge knuckle couplers at the front and rear as well. So really, this 37800 can pull whatever. Why is there steam coming out of it? Right, that's random. Probably smoke, but I say steam. Right, what's that? There's a plane, that's nice. But yeah, so nice Chiltern just there. Got the Chiltern, the 37, and obviously the 465 on the back. Got behind me a 331. Over just down there is a 170, a 91, and Royal Southern Class 67. They're packed up. So yeah, don't know what's going on. It's doing something. Can it leave yet? Like, I just want to hear it. Right, now I've got the 170 just departing here. to Scarborough, this one is. Yeah, this one's off to Scarborough. Not the 37, the 170 was going to Scarborough. Don't know when it leaves exactly, but oh well. Got a Luma. 803001. I've seen that here as well on a test, which, you know, it hasn't changed much except for putting a logo on it. That's it. But yeah, very nice. Oh well, I didn't see that coming. Perfect timing. I was just gonna show you how nice Doncaster does actually look. So actually, you've got up there, you've got French Gate, and before I was all the way up at the top, just in the top middle. I was up in that corner where the car park is. So I was there. You've obviously got French Gate. Then you've got the rest of the station. You've got 3 terminating tracks. Well, technically 2, but sort of 3 because there used to be 4 because there's 4 buffers down there, but now there's just 3, as you can see. But yeah. So anyway, for the rest of the day, I'll probably stand here waiting for my train back, which is actually 91. It's 91105, I believe. No, I can't remember which 91 it is, but it's A91. And yeah, it's coming from London going back to York, which is quite nice if you ask me. So yeah, just leveling it out there. I'll see you when I see you. Right, just because I'm like down here and all, I'll actually try zoom in for you all the way down. So if you can just see, you can just make out a 67. You can make out obviously the end of the southeastern 465. But yeah, you've got 67, and just right at the end you should see it. It's a 91. That is a 91 just for spare parts and everything, which, because 91's dead nice and all, but it's sad when they're not being used. But doesn't really matter, because I'm off on one, so win-win. Anyway, see you when this departs. Is it here or is it? It's got long hair. No, but it just looks like it. I can't tell. I don't know why it's going, because it's got an orange, does it not? all on there, jump out the cab and just let it go.
Platform 3B, 1542, Penine Express, service to
Yeah.
Liverpool Street.
Yeah, just a bit of fun. Why don't you train and drive?
Apparently I'm not allowed to be a train driver.
Why?
Because I've had laser eye surgery.
What's wrong with that? Is it just if it...
I don't really don't understand. It would have been alright if I wore glasses that I can take off. Because I've had laser eye surgery that's permanent. Apparently you can't be a train driver.
That makes no sense whatsoever. Can you not just put glasses on and then just say, yeah, and then just, no, that train is here.
To be honest, I don't think they'd know that I'd have laser eye surgery.
Yeah.
It would be telling them. So you can just lie about it, I suppose.
268, that one is. So 27X just left, and now there's 268. That's 278. This is 268. Cool. Still no 220 though, which is sad because it's the one I have and I want to see. I've always wanted to see trains that I have, but I don't think I ever have.
fuel it's actually using just sat there idling like that?
I don't think it used that much. Also, I just got.
I don't know. It's a big thing, like you can.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Now I've got another 66s. Right. So any time now, this 37, which is now back over here, should be leaving. And I hope it does, because I don't want to stand here much longer, you know.
16,
But I mean, their choice. See you then. Alright guys, so now there's a 91 behind, yeah, off it goes, right. Right, off that goes. It is late, but it was waiting for another driver, which is actually the reason for it being late, which isn't the best.
And be aware, this platform does not have tactile paving at the edge.
I'm coming to end to get this choo-choo fart.
And off that goes. Also, yeah. Also around here, peeking behind the northern. Actually, I'll go down. Got a 91 again, and you know, Doncaster's nicest than 91s and all. But yeah, I'll just stop here. So, don't know when this is supposed to go, I believe in a minute-ish. Yep, going about now it's due. Sorry if it's a bit wonky, I'm trying to fix that right now. That looks a bit nicer. There we go. So, yeah, that's gone. Yeah, 91 is ready. Yeah, door chime just going off now. There's an orphan for you as well if you like orphans. But I mean, if you like Northerns, you like Northerns. It's that engine Yeah, it's that engine, not the same engine, but the same livery. It's the same livery cast.
Yeah,